We're making a delicious and balanced high-protein smoothie that tastes like a cinnamon roll. We're adding Greek yogurt, banana, cinnamon, and almond butter, and sneaking in some undetectable frozen cauliflower for added nutrition. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes to our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. Now, you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the recipe link that's in the video description below, and that will take you to the full recipe with all the details, including nutrition facts, ingredients and substitutions, and frequently asked questions. Now, to make the smoothie, we're going to start with a base of milk, and you can use any variety that you like. I love using almond milk, and I especially love using my almond cow to make the almond milk. It only takes a few minutes, and you get to control all the ingredients. And I included a link with a discount in the description below if you'd like to check it out. So we're going to add half a cup of milk to our blender cup. Now for your banana, you'll want it a little bit on the brown side if you can, because that will make it the sweetest. But I actually love to slice my bananas into fours and then freeze them and then just pull them out as needed for my smoothies. So I'm going to add 4 frozen chunks, which equals 1 banana. Now this also means you don't have to add as many ice cubes to make it nice and thick. Now if you've never had cauliflower in a smoothie before, don't be scared. I like to take a head of cauliflower and steam it till it's nice and soft, and then I will freeze it into the little florets. And that makes it really easy to put them in my smoothies, and it really dilutes the flavor, and it makes them easiest digestible by softening them first. So we're going to add 1/4 cup of frozen cauliflower. Now for some extra protein, we'll add 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt. You could also use cottage cheese if you like, but the Greek yogurt has that natural tanginess, which I think kind of mimics the cream cheese that's in a cinnamon roll. Then we'll add 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. And this is my favorite brand because it's all organic and naturally sweetened, and we love the flavor. And I included a link to it as well in the description if you want to check it out. And then for extra flavor and healthy fat, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of almond butter. You could also use cashew butter. And we'll add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And of course, half a teaspoon of our cinnamon. And I like to give it just a pinch of salt. And then we just screw on our lid, put it in the base, and then we blend until smooth. We have a very delicious smelling smoothie that is ready to enjoy. Just pop in my straw. That is delicious. That is giving all the cinnamon roll vibes. The almond butter gives it kind of an earthiness like bread, and you get that little bit of tang from the Greek yogurt, and then that delicious cinnamon just kicks in at the end. And I would have never guessed it was cauliflower in the smoothie. But I love that it's made with clean, natural ingredients, which means I'm going to feel just as good even after I eat it, and it will fuel me till my next meal. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I've included a link to the full recipe in the video description below, and that will take you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I invite you to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I invite you to join me again in my kitchen.